Oh, we were going to look at, do you know if there's any way to apply a mask curve? So a mask curve is essentially, let's undo that. And let's hit Control W, and let's turn off our polypaint here. So mask curve, so hold down Control, and we have a mask curve here. So the mask curve, if you hold down Control and then just drag out, it's just like clip or slice, anything past that gradient is going to be masked. If you turn off X symmetry, so let's do it on one side, and of course you hold down Control and tap Alt once, so it'll give you a Bezier curve. Hold down Control, tap twice, it'll give you a straight curve. So you can do that. But the question is a way to apply a mask with a curve with a thickness and mask everything. Oh, so yeah, so you hold down Control and you mask, and then you hold down Control and hit spacebar. You can do a brush radius. Let's see if that'll work. No, it doesn't. So what brush radius should do, and ideally with how the mask would work, is if I mask this out, it would actually give me my brush radius mask. And why I bring that up is if I hold down Control Shift, and we do a slice curve, and we slice through here and hold down spacebar, you'll get the B radius option. Hold down Control Shift and slice. Now you're getting a brush radius, so you can just go through here. You can hit W and you can Control tap that, and that'll give you your mask, but then you're also modifying your geometry, so it's not ideal. But yeah, that would be great as if mask curve held down Control, and you can turn on B radius for your mask curve, and then you could, yeah, just get, instead of having to do like what I think you're probably having to try to do is like mask this and then go through here and like unmask this to get that. Just doing it in one stroke with brush radius would be awesome, but it doesn't look like it works that way. But an alternative is slice curve with brush radius. You can go through here and you can slice through with your brush radii, and then we can isolate this one, we can isolate this one, we can mask it, or you can hit W and you can Control tap these and that'll just mask them out. We can maybe Control Alt tap, no. Yeah, it's probably easier just to hit here, Control Shift, mask, invert, and there you go. All of that stuff can be found underneath the masking menu, but those are the hotkeys.